so I've got my tea brewing. Let's see what we got in the mail today. I think it's Christmassy stuff. Oh, we've got some letters. Oh, look at that. I think it's Halloween. Halloween. I'm going to have to make a Halloween stuff with these. I don't even remember finding this. Holy cow, sometimes those things take a long time. Sorry about the noise. Those of you who are sensitive to the crackle sounds. Remember on the Mailbox Minute ones to just turn your volume right down. So it looks like there is a hat. Here, I'll just let you all check it out on your own. Say Halloween. I'm not sure where I got this one, but I thought that would be really cute for the top of a soap because there's like 9, and I have those smaller loaves that I can make, which have like 9 to 10 bars, sometimes 11. I could go Halloweeny. Do 2 E's. There we go, Mailbox Minute. Happy Soaptober. If you want to join in and be a part of this, please do. It's super, super fun. Tricks and treats. Nothing's out of bounds. And remember, it's also Oktoberfest, so we will be having some German-inspired treats as well. So look forward to those and sharing them with you. I'll see y'all next time. Bye for now.